that's too many pieces. Too many pieces. Too many pieces. Too many pieces. Almost there. Oh, wrong direction. That's close enough. 100 pieces. Ish. 100 garbage bags.
100 pennies. Kinda.
100 pounds of dog food. 100%. This is 100 screws. This is 100 firecrackers. Feet. I'm not sure if you heard me. I said 100. That was 100 feet when I was out there. 100 feet. And that makes this video 100 seconds. And all of that nonsense was just a way for me to say thanks to my first 100 subscribers. Here's to 100 more, guys. Is Davin still cool? Should I cut that out?